Think you're building your biceps with every curl? What if I told you? Most people in the gym are actually training their shoulders and wrists, not their biceps. Yep, that curl you've been doing for months might be cheating your gains without you even realizing it. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because once you fix this, your arms are going to look and feel completely different. Let's start with what most people get wrong. You've probably seen it, someone swinging the dumbbells like they're trying to start a lawnmower, or maybe leaning way back just to lift heavier weight. Sound familiar? They use momentum instead of muscle. Their elbows drift forward or backward. Their wrists bend like they're scooping ice cream. Here's the problem. When you do that, your biceps stop doing the work. Your shoulders and lower back take over, and that's why, even after months, your arms don't really change. But don't worry, you're about to see how just one small shift can make every rep count. Before I show you the perfect curl, ask yourself this. When you lift that dumbbell, what's the real goal? It's not just to move the weight up and down. It's to make the bicep contract and control that weight through the full range of motion. Notice here, no swinging, no jerking, no shoulder rolling forward. Everything looks tight and controlled. How do we get that? It all starts with your foundation. All right, here's the setup. 1. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, not locked. 2. Tuck your elbows in by your ribs. Think of them like door hinges. They don't move. 3. Chest up, shoulders down and back. That keeps tension off your shoulders and on your biceps. 4. Grip the dumbbells with your palms facing forward and your wrists straight. Now as you curl, exhale and bring the dumbbells up slowly. Squeeze your biceps at the top for just 1 second. Then lower them twice as slow as you lifted. That's where the real growth happens. Remember, your goal is control, not speed. Here's where we level it up. Most lifters lose tension halfway through the curl, but your biceps don't fully engage until your forearms pass that 90-degree mark. That's why keeping constant tension is key. Try this. Stop your curl just before your arms fully lock out at the bottom. That tiny adjustment keeps your biceps under load the entire time. Biomechanically, your biceps act like a pulley. If your shoulder or wrist shifts out of alignment, that pulley slackens. But when your posture and wrist stay aligned, the tension travels straight into the muscle fibers. That's how you get that dense, sculpted look. Want to feel the burn even more? Try a slight rotation. Start palms facing your thighs and twist them outward as you curl up. That's called supination, and it activates both heads of the bicep. Keep your core tight. Imagine your abs as the foundation of a skyscraper. If that base wobbles, the whole structure shakes. Stability equals strength. Finally, don't chase heavy weights. Chase perfect form. Your muscle doesn't know numbers, it only knows tension. Watch this. On the left, swinging, shoulders rolling, zero control. On the right, elbows locked in, smooth motion, full squeeze. Feel the difference? The right side isn't just safer, it's more effective. Every rep there builds strength, not strain. Pause, smile. Here's the light bulb moment. The better your form, the less weight you'll need to grow. All right, your turn. Grab your dumbbells and try 10 flawless reps. Elbows in, wrists straight, full control. Feel that? That's your biceps finally doing their job. Don't settle for sloppy curls. Master this technique and your arms will thank you. Stay consistent, train smart, and remember, form if this helped you, hit like, share it with a workout buddy, and I'll see you in the next session. Strong form, strong body.